Hello, my full name is Damaris Amudio Tenorio. I was born 2003 in Peru. I live with my family and my family circle is very important to me. I live with my fathers and my two brothers. We have a close relationship. I am currently studying business administration and marketing at UPN University. My favorite subject is marketing plan because I enjoy learning how business connect with people. I also work as a host at Montana. In my free time, I enjoy read and draw. These activities help me relax and express myself. I am taking this English course because I want to improve my communication skills and have better opportunities in my career. Thank you for listening.